Hello, in this JavaScript video, we are going to make a circle game. This is what it will look like at the end of the video. This is just the code we're going to use in our game to draw our circle and stuff. We create a new file and start with the HTML. And then we also end it. Since this is HTML code, we just put in the body and also end the body. This is JavaScript, so we put the script in, and just like the last thing, we end the script. Div is just the center of the picture or something. Then we ended a line and we put it in the center. Head is just like for naming your website and such. The title of our game will be Circle Game. Oh no, it's gonna be nano code. Sorry. And then in the div we put a circle game, and then we take a little more. Our canvas ID will be circle, and then we end the canvas. Our width will be around it'll be around 350, and the height will be 350 as well. So this is what our canvas will look like. And then we take a little space, large space. Our image ID will be my image. We'll name it. And then our source is gonna be in our folder. I named it images. Oh, let me find it. And we're gonna save the code as a HTML. I'm just putting in just a picture, and our width for the picture will be 200. My height for the picture will be 150. And we take a large space. Our stop key will be the spacebar or the enter key. So this is what at the bottom it looks like the picture. On load, we just make a panel drawing, and this is just a little function we're just gonna call, and we're gonna put in the script. But we have to put in the function and then the name. We just put in this large thing. And our variable for the canvas will be document get element by 2D. Circle our new variable will be variable ctx will just be the canvas dot get element ID. Get context. It's just getting context from the 2D thing. Var circle x is gonna be equal to a circle y, the equivalent to canvas dot width slash divided by 2. Then we put in the 2 dots stuff. A new variable, we'll just name it mx equals to 20, and my new variable called my y is equal to 0. This is what it'll look like right now. And variable yh is going to be 350. The panel ctx is going to fill style the canvas, and it's going to be gray. We ended, and then the ctx is gonna do a stroke stop, and it's gonna be black. This ctx is also gonna fill in thing. Wait. It's gonna fill the rectangle, and it's gonna be 0 by 0 YH panel.ctx is gonna stroke rectangle, and 0 by 0 YH dot y slash YH, and we ended. So so this is at one corner, it's just 0 by 0. You have to learn the circle drawing panel. We're just gonna do panel.ctx. In circle drawing, we're just gonna create a function outside of the thing, and then we name it circle drawing, and then we put the panel.ctxb. Right now it doesn't know it, but we're gonna variable r equals 15, and the panels underscore ctxb is gonna be the begin path. Arc. So the center of our image is gonna be 175 by 175, since 0 by 0 is actually at the corner of our thing. Math pi I'm not too good at. I don't know a lot. Line width is equal to 5, and the ctxb dot stroke style is gonna be just blue. A stroke is just meaning that it's the outline of the thing. Say there's a rectangle, then the stroke is actually just the outline of it. And then we end the stroke. We create a new variable called new x, and new x equal to circle x plus mx. And the same for y, but we changed the new yx and stuff. If the new, this is what it will look like right now if we run it. If the new x is 320, we're just gonna make the mx 0 and the my 0. Actually, no. If we just make it now, if the new y is larger than 320, we're just gonna make it mx equals minus 20 and the my equals 0. The new x is larger than 320 is gonna be mx equals to 0 and y is equal to 100. Minus 20. We're just going to create a document.add event listener. We're ended. But we are going to use keyboard, key down, and then a keyboard underscore test. We create a new function called keyboard test at the bottom, and then in here we just put it's just a keyboard key ASCII code, so just movement to the player, I think. Left 337, up 38, right 39, and down 40. Up 39. Constant, we're going to create a constant, and then a key test. Event, we're just going to create an event, key test, key code, and then if key test equals to 32, it's like the equals button. So left is actually just 37, up is just 38, and tied or up I think is 39, because in ASCII we just like we use numbers to like translate it. So if the key test is 37, we just make the mx equal to -20 and the my equals 0. And if the key test is 38, we make the mx 0 and the my -20. And if we make the key test 39, we make it the mx 20 and the my 20. And if the key test 40, we're just gonna make the my -20. For 20. And the stop key is going to be spacebar, which is 32, and the enter is 13, which we're also going to use to stop the game. If the key test is equal to 32, then we can stop and make the mx and my equal to 0. We're just gonna put some 200 millisecond. We wait 200 milliseconds for the panel underscore drawing function again we call. Set timeout is just gonna be 200. Drawing is gonna be set to 200 milliseconds. And then we wait around 200 milliseconds just to wait for the drawing. And this is our code. So I really hope you enjoyed our new game tutorial. Yeah, we are just making this for fun and to teach people on how to play it or just make it. Well,